I am going to show you in this video how to make a quadrilateral and then follow these directions in order to make a tessellation. So first thing you need to do is make your quadrilateral. It's best to do this with the line segment tool, not by the polynomial tool. I didn't mean for that one to be so little, but that's okay. Now the next thing that you need to do is select one of your segments and construct the midpoint on it. And now we need to rotate this quadrilateral about that point. So to tell Sketchpad to make that our point of rotation, double click on the midpoint. See those little circle things that go around? That means now that's our center of rotation. Now select all of your quadrilateral. You can kind of draw a box around it, or you can click on every point, every segment, and then go to Transform, Rotate. And it's I already set it to be 180 degrees because I did that last time. I think it's preset to 90 and you need to change that to 180 degrees. So what happened is this original quadrilateral we made was rotated about that midpoint, and it flipped it around, not flipped it around, but rotated it around so it lines up just like that. The next thing it says to do is to translate the resulting pair of quadrilaterals to make a row of quadrilaterals. The easiest way to do this in Sketchpad is to select both your original, your pre-image, and your image after the rotation, and then copy it. Go to Edit, Copy, and then go to Edit, Paste. You can also use Control-C and Control-V just like in other programs. Now this part's a little tricky. You want to move this highlighted object without accidentally clicking somewhere and on doing the selected part. So I like to click on one of the vertices and then hold down my mouse button and drag, and you have to match up this line with this line and try to get it just perfect so the one point is on top of the other point. And then you can click to kind of show that that's there. I had to move it up just a little bit. And now you have two of them put together, and we can Control V again or go to Edit, Paste, and grab another one. And you will do this a bunch of times until you have a row of them. Whoops. Now if you make a mistake and see there's overlapping, that's bad, you can go to Edit, Undo. And there it gave me my paste thing back. So I can try to line that up better this time. It's slightly off, but for the assignment it would be okay. There, that's better. And you will do this for a few times, maybe 4 or 5 times. And now select everything and Edit, Copy again, or Control-C. And now there's a copy on top of that. Or no, there's not a copy. It just copied. I forgot to paste. And then paste. There's our copy. And I'm going to move this down, and I'm going to line it up so that there's another row below there. And the points should be on top of the points and the segments on the segments. Remember, tessellation shouldn't have any gaps or any overlaps. So there I've made a tessellation with a quadrilateral, and I could color this in. I could use some markers to color things, or I could use this tool to draw. I'm not going to do that in here. You could get fancy, but I did what I had to do, which was create a tessellation. Okay, you can do this too with triangles or other shapes. As long as you create the midpoint on one side and rotate it 180 degrees around, then you have created this figure that will tessellate. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.